Welcome to 326 Valley Ridge. Right here on the south side of Canyon Lake, we are centrally located right near Gennaro's. This is an amazing neighborhood called Scenic Heights, and this home is being sold fully furnished. So anything you see comes with the house. When you walk in, you come into this great open area here with the kitchen. It's got the pull-up island here with stools and a secondary dining area here. So come on in this direction and you'll see that there's a bedroom and a bath right off of the kitchen as well. So when you come down off of the kitchen, you enter into this great living area here. Ceiling fans, of course. The TV, like I said, comes with it, and this great wood-burning stove right here to keep you toasty warm in the winter months. And you've got this great little area here that's actually an entrance hall. We have another door right behind you. And then the next thing we're going to take a look at is downstairs. You've got the laundry room and a master bedroom. So when you come down the stairs, on your left is this closet here, and it's got a washer-dryer connection. And then you come on down this direction and we've got the closet for the master right here. It's a very large closet with plenty of space. And then on into this beautiful master bedroom, take a look at the architectural detailing of the ceiling. And like I said, it's all coming with the home. So the bed, the TV, the furniture, this little sofa, all comes with the house. And then we've got the bathroom right off of the master here next to the bedroom. Here we are at 326 Valley Ridge, right here on the south side of Canyon Lake. Take a look at this peaceful, quiet neighborhood right here, very centrally located, and beautiful area here in Canyon Lake. You can hear the birds chirping. Here we are on the back side of the house. You can see the backyard and on into the back side of the house here in the beautiful hill country.